Ever wondered how a single valve can slash a building's energy bill while keeping every room perfectly comfortable? Welcome to PartsHnC. In modern buildings, advanced HVAC valves are the silent powerhouses of efficiency. These precision tools, ranging from two-way and three-way models to pressure-independent control valves, act as the critical execution layer for smart automation. By utilizing AI-driven flow balancing and predictive algorithms, these valves adjust fluid flow in real time, which eliminates pump energy spikes and prevents overconsumption. Unlike traditional setups, this technology ensures heating or cooling is only delivered where it is truly needed. Through zone-specific demand control, conditioning is delivered based on real-time occupancy and thermal patterns, effectively cutting waste in unoccupied areas. This intelligent approach even optimizes thermal recovery by redirecting residual heat or chilled water between zones, recycling energy that would otherwise be lost. These valves provide continuous system feedback, delivering real-time flow and position data that allows for constant system refinement and optimized temperature regulation over time. Using minimal pressure equalization, these valves detect and correct subtle imbalances, reducing micro-oscillations and strain on boilers, chillers, and pumps. This significantly extends the lifespan of your critical equipment. Advanced valve designs also limit turbulence and heat loss in piping, further conserving energy throughout the distribution system. Even during central control delays or system outages, localized intelligence maintains safe limits to prevent overheating or overcooling. These adaptive valves feed real-time data into building energy dashboards, enabling predictive modeling and smarter sustainability planning. Whether you are managing a residential unit or a massive commercial portfolio, integrating these smart components ensures uniform, scalable control and future-ready performance. To optimize your facility with genuine high-quality components, visit our website, PartsHnC.com, for fast shipping on all your essential HVAC parts. Like this video, subscribe for more technical insights, and follow us on social media for the latest updates in building automation. Thanks for watching.